Hello, welcome once again to our channel. Today we'll take you through the introduction of HTML. When we say HTML, what comes into your mind? HTML is the standard makeup language for web pages. With HTML, you can create your own website. It's one of the programming language that we use to create website. What is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. So HTML is a standard markup language for creating web page. As I said, it's one of the programming tools that we use for creating web page or website. So with it, you can create your own website, and HTML describes the structure of a web page, and also HTML consists of a series of elements. So we'll take you through each of these. HTML tell the browser how to display the content to as well. That is what HTML does. HTML their elements label a piece of content such as this is heading, this is paragraph, and this is link, and etc. So that is how their elements function. This is how it look like. When you open your web page, when you are creating your um, web page, this is how the interface will look like. So we have my first heading, my first paragraph. So that is how it looks like. So example of HTML. So this is the format for how HTML works. So when you use the Visual Studio Code, first you will type uh, greater than sign, exclamation mark, doc type, HTML, less than sign. So this is how the format be like. So we have the doc type, HTML, we have the head before you come to the title, then you come to closing tag, head, then body. So we'll teach you how we'll explain this example to you so that the work will be made easier for you. So this one for the first heading, you type, this is how the format looks like. You type open bracket, this is how it looks like. You type greater than sign H1, that is first heading. So second heading will be A2, then close bracket, which is the less than sign, my first, then you type the letter that you want, my first heading. You can type any letter that you want. Then this is the closing tag. And before you come to paragraph, so paragraph, instead of the H, you have P. So that one too, you can have first paragraph. So for the first paragraph, you can make it P1, just like how I did the heading. So heading, you can have many heading, as many as you can. You can create many headings. So you can have H2, H7, H8. So it depends on the number of headings that you want to create. And the same apply to paragraph. So paragraph 2, you can have paragraph 1, paragraph 2, paragraph 3, and many more. So after the paragraph, then you come to the body. So the body, then HTML. So that is how the format is. So the format, when you are using phone, you type HTML, then you come to the head, the text, heading, paragraph, then closing tag for body. So you understand it as we move forward. So this is how the format looks like, just like the way I showed to you. So when you open your your tool, which is the app Visual Studio Code or the 3 bits on your phone, you first of all type the doc type. So this is how the phone format also looks like. So for the phone format, you don't need to type the doc type. It's only the HTML. The moment you type the HTML, the closing tag tool also comes. So here we have different versions of HTML. So we have HTML1, HTML2, HTML3, and many more. So the doc type that you type over there indicates HTML5, that you are working under HTML5. This is how HTML4 format looks like. So when you type the greater than sign, exclamation mark, doc type HTML, close bracket, that one indicates that you are working on HTML5. HTML4 is the one that I just shown to you. So this one, the moment you type it on your app, it automatically detects that you are working on HTML5. So that is how it means. So yeah, I'm going to explain each of the example that the format that I just shown to you. So for the doc type HTML, as I said, a declaration defines that the document is an HTML5 document, and the HTML, the element, HTML element, it is the root element of the HTML page, and the head the element contains meta information about the HTML page, and for the title element, it specifies a title for the HTML page, which is shown in the browser's title bar or in the page type, and it contains all visible content such as heading, paragraph, image, hyperlinks, table, lists, and many more. And the H1, it defines a large heading, and also the P, which is the paragraph element, it defines a paragraph. So that is what each of these elements explains. That is how they function. So each of these elements has their own role to play. So for the heading, their role is to contain meta information about HTML page, and for the title, they specify a title for the HTML page, which is shown in the browser title bar or in the page tabs. So for the body too, they define the document body, which is and contain all visible content such as heading, hyperlinks, image, paragraph, list, and many more. So for the body, that is where you actually type all these things. So if you want to import image, it will fall under body. If you want to type any document or any words or any sentence that you want to put, it will fall under body. So you have to categorize it into paragraph, then heading. And also we have hyperlinks. You can also create tables too under the body, and you can also create list of items too under body. So that is how the body work. So that is how it works. So I'm done for today's video. Thank you for joining us.